Hey, what's up, guys? So this is for your week 8 playlist part two. So the reason why there's a part two this week is because I was going to add more assignments to your week 8 playlist, and then I kind of just forgot. And so I'm making a completely separate playlist for those assignments I was going to add. So this is part two, and I'm going to explain what you're going to do for part two. So it'll be right here once this video gets done being made, and you'll open up your playlist. In this playlist, you're going to start learning some new vocabulary words. Okay, so we're going to start learning some new vocabulary words, and we're going to learn new vocabulary words by learning about these cool things called morphemes. Okay, now, a morpheme is going to be the absolute smallest piece of meaning you could find in a word. These comes from, morphemes are things like prefixes, suffixes, and roots. Okay, and these small little sounds have meaning attached to them. So you're going to start learning what some of these small morphemes mean so that you can understand what bigger words that have lots of morphemes mean. So you're going to start with that this week. Here's the list of morphemes here that you're going to learn. You're going to learn about anti, ab, seed, fract, frag, os, eos, or os, ick, and eyes. Okay, so you're going to start by adding the notebook pages into your notebook. You've done this before, right? But watch this video that explains how you do that. That was created by Miss Rains. She'll explain not only how you need to add the notebook pages into your notebook, but she'll also explain how to find the definitions here for your morphemes. Okay, in that video, she mentions that you need to pull them from a slide, and that slide is here. And just for a little refresher, we'll open this up. These morphemes that you've been assigned, again here, all of them are listed on here. In fact, many more are listed on here because you will find you use this slide often. But for example, one of your words is, let's see, hold on, anti. Okay, so we'll go to anti and we will find it, hopefully, yep, right here. You click on it, it has the word, and then it has your definition. You'll write that in your morpheme tracker in your notes. And then you'll just click this little rainbow to take you right back home to click your next word. Okay. So that's how you're going to get the information for your vocab slides. Then you're going to study your morphemes. So you're going to practice figuring out the meanings of words using this quizzes. And if you have problems logging into this, just let me know, but you should be able to just log in and play the game. Okay. Once you have studied up and you know the definitions of these morphemes, then it'll be time for the knowledge check. This is performance assessment, so it will be for a grade. And then once you pass that performance check, there will be an enrichment activity for you to do as well, and it is attached here. So that is week 8, part 2. It's your first week learning new vocabulary. We have to learn new vocabulary to understand all of the different things that we read so we can understand the words and understand the text as a whole. So that's why we're doing that this week. And we will be adding this in as part of every week moving forward. So let me know if you have questions, and good luck with week 8, part 2.